Hi, my name is Sarah. Welcome to the Create Regimen and Recipe Page tutorial. To open the page, go to the main menu and tap the Create option in the Regimen and Recipe section. This page allows you to create regimens and recipes which bundle multiple recurring items and shortens data entry steps. A regimen is a collection of items or activities which users are exposed to in sequential order. A recipe is a collection of ingredients that are combined, mixed, and used together. Let's create a regimen for my morning hygiene routine that starts with brushing teeth and then showering. The personal care products I use are toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, and body soap. To start creating the regimen, tap the category field. Next, choose the personal care products kit. Then, enter the name of the regimen. I will go with Sarah's morning hygiene routine. In the content field, I will enter the personal care products I use to brush my teeth and shower. Let's start with toothbrush. Tap on the content field and type in toothbrush. Custom items can also be created and added to the regimen or recipe on this page. Select the correct item which matches your product from the suggestion list. Enter in one for the amount and select a relevant unit from the list, which in this case is application. Tap the Add Item button. You will now see the selected toothbrush in the display area. Repeat the same steps to add the rest of the items. 1 application of toothpaste, 2 tablespoons of shampoo, and 2 tablespoons of body soap. Now that I have entered all the items, let's save the regimen. Once the regimen is saved successfully in the 12U12 database, the regimen shows up on the Manage and Edit Regimen page. Let's expand to check the items. All 4 of them are correct. Next, let's go to the Input page and see how this regimen helps in speeding up the data entry steps. Say I woke up at 7 a.m. and immediately started getting ready for work. All I need to do is select Personal Care Product for category, enter Sarah, and choose Sarah's morning hygiene routine from the suggestion list. Next, enter 7 a.m. and tap Add. As you can see, all the items in the regimen are now in the display area. I can modify or delete each item if needed. If everything is correct, tap the Save button to transfer my entries from my local device to the 12U12 database. Now that we have seen the benefit of a regimen, let's go back to the Create Regimen and Recipe page, but this time to create a recipe. I will create a recipe for a cake that contains flour, brown sugar, vanilla essence, eggs, and baking powder. Select Food Recipe from the category dropdown. Then select the serving size. 1 serving size is the amount a normal person would consume in one meal. In this case, I want to make a cake for 5 people. Next, tap the recipe name field. I'll go with Sarah Cake. Let's start adding the 5 ingredients. Enter flour into the ingredients field. I'll select the correct brand of flour I used from the suggestion list. For the amount, type in 1 3/4, and for the unit, select cup. Tap the Add Item button to add it to the recipe. Repeat the same steps to add the rest of the ingredients. 400 grams of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 4 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Tap the Save Recipe button. Here it is, Sarah Cake on the Manage Regimen and Recipe list. Let's expand and check the ingredients. All 5 of them are correct. With this recipe, there is a trick to speedily create many other similar recipes. Say you want to make an orange cake, and the only additional ingredient is orange peel. Enter Sarah Cake in the name field and select it from the suggestion list. The ingredients for Sarah Cake are auto-filled in the display area. Replace the name Sarah Cake with orange cake. Then add orange peel to the ingredient list. This trick can also be applied to recipes in the 12U12 database, which will appear in the suggestion list based on the keyword typed. Also, if you modified a recipe and kept the same name, you will get a prompt asking if you want to recalculate your historical entries for this recipe with the updates. Note that ingredients for a recipe can only be modified on the Manage. Check out our other features on the menu bar. Tap on the section titles to watch more tutorial videos. Thanks for using the 12U12 app.